Hello all, here's another FZR update. As you can see, it's on its own two wheels now. It's all coming together really nicely. The new brake caliper colours, it's bronze, looks fantastic. The wheels look even better when they're attached to the bike as well. The major change is I've swapped out this aftermarket Micron cam. It had a crack in it anyway. These carbon fibre ones, in my experience, always do that. My ER6 one exploded on me as I was overtaking it. It was quite embarrassing. The original, sourced off eBay, polished it all up, painted it, looked pretty good. I'm actually really pleased with how the paint job went because I've not really painted anything before.